All right, let's start the ball rolling. Yeah, we got this question here too. The cycle with the equation x minus a squared plus y plus 3 squared is equals to 26. When a is a positive constant, passes through the origin, find the value of a, determine whether the point 6, 4 lies inside or outside the circle. So how do we go about this question? Friends, let's set the ball rolling. Okay, the question is so simple. It's a circle with equation x minus a squared plus y plus 3 squared is equal to 26. When a is a positive constant, passes through the origin. And the first question says, well, find the value of a. And the B part is to determine whether the point 64 lies inside or outside the circle. Let's see how we'll square this question with ease. Okay, so as we can see, the circle, right, is given here. Yeah, so we shouldn't be scared at all. Look at it. This is the whole equation. That's the circle given to us. And the question says a is a positive value, so that means greater than 0. Guys, the curve passes through the origin. It means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So all we gotta do is to put these values into this equation. So now the x rendered to be 0 and the y rendered to be 0. So that we have this 0 minus a squared, 0 plus 3 squared is equal to 26. Now, if we do that, we have a square of a, and plus 9 is equal to 26. So when we deduce our value, we see that we are going to get a to be square root of 17, which is awesome. So we've got a value of a. So the last part of the question is to determine whether the point 6, 4 lies inside or outside the circle. Now let's see. So now what do we have to do? Hence the curve. This is the equation. So we'll put the a back into the equation. So we have x minus square root of 17 squared plus y plus 3 squared is equal to 26. Guys, don't forget this equation. We always know that, general almighty equation of a circle is given as x minus a squared, this, okay, and y minus b squared is equal to r squared. At the point 64, let's test whether it lies in or outside the curve. So all we gotta do, we gotta put these values in the respective places. 6 go to x, go to the x value, okay, and 4 go to the y value. So what do? We have a 6 minus square root of 17 squared. We got 4 plus 3 squared. So forget about this one. This is 26 already in the equation. So now what do? The square of this difference, that's 1.8769 plus square of 7. Okay, then when we compute it very well, we got 52.522, which is actually greater than the square root of 26. Hence the point 64 lies outside the circle. Well, this is fantastic. Now go back and have a look and go through it. You see that it's easy for you to digest and break it down. Well, that's where we end this discussion. See you later.